Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm excited to film this video, to be honest. So just so you know, in my previous video, I had my surgery, which is a breast augmentation. And right now, this video is my reviews throughout the recovery until now. So just so you know, guys, it's my 17 days of post-op and I can still no lifting and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna share it with you. So, ayun guys, I'm back. And yeah, share ko lang sa inyo yung first and 5 days post-op ko. So, my first day is including yung first day ko is including the operation day. So, I went there for like 12 noon. Pinasok ako ng 12:45 and natapos ako ng almost 2:30. So, like, the operation takes like 45 minutes lang. But since my oxygen is going up and low, nag-intay muna akong mag-back to normal yung oxygen ko. So it takes me 2 hours before the release. So nung nag-release na ako, nagbalik na ulit ako dito sa bahay. Since I'm still have the anesthesia on my body and hindi ko pa rin na-feel yung pain, nakatulog ako ng maayos. But in my second day, that's my worst day. Kasi, nung second day ko, okay yung throughout ng morning ko. It's just like hard kasi parang pag naglalakad ako going to the bathroom, it's just like so heavy. Kaya naglalakad ako ng ganito. Ganon ako maglakad. So parang hinahawakan ko yung suso ko. Parang hinahawakan ko yung suso ko kasi sobrang bigat. And then at the same time, nahihirapan akong huminga. But that's okay because I survived. So yun yung second day ko. And then sa second day ko din pala, nag-take ako ng painkiller ng gabi kasi hindi ako makatulog and sobrang sakit talaga ng left na suso ko. Kasi yung right na suso ko, sobrang normal niya. Hindi ako nakaramdam ng sakit and then parang sobrang fix niya. Hindi siya mataas. But yung left na suso ko, sobrang taas niya. So I called the doctor and then they said it's normal. And yeah, pinabayaan ko na lang. Tas actually ngayon bumaba na siya. But yun, second day ko is super painful. Pero hindi siya painful na like 10 out of 10. It's just mag-OA lang ako. So it's just like 4 out of 10. And then my third day, naligo na ako. And I'm still holding my pubita, habang nagwo-walk ako dito sa apartment ko. And still, I need someone na hilahin ako sa bed pagbabangon ako kasi hindi ko pa kaya mag-isa and it's really hurt. Like pag pinupush mo yung sarili mo, ang sakit talaga. So I need someone out there. So shout out sa mga friends ko dyan who helped me. Thank you so much. And yun, so my fourth day, it's just like a normal day. I can walk na, like lumalabas na ako ng apartment ko and nagwo-walk na ako for like 10 to 15 minutes outside. Pero I always have my water kasi sobrang napapagod ako. And then yung 15 minutes na yun is nagpapahinga ako every 3 minutes kasi yung oxygen ko talaga, hindi ako makahinga ng maayos. So yun, but everything is good. Hindi na ako nakaramdam ng sakit dun sa left side ko pero ang taas pa rin talaga niya. And then dun sa fifth day ko, same as my fourth day. Yun yung routine na ginagawa ko. And yun. Ito lang, yung pinakang tumatak sa akin is yung second and third day ko kasi na-bloated ako ng sobra. So tumawag ako sa doctor and sabi nila it's normal because of anesthesia. Pero sobrang sakit talaga ng tiyan ko. Sobrang alam mo yung puputok na kasi sobrang bloated mo kasi liquid na lang yung kinakain ko that time kasi I cannot eat solid food. Pero like sobrang sakit. So I'm so thankful for my fourth day kasi nakatae na. Nakapupo na ako ng maayos. Until tuloy-tuloy na ako like, oh my God, kala ako like, sabi ko, mas masakit pa yung tiyan ko kaysa dun sa suso ko. Sabi ko, nakakaloka. So yun, thank God na lang na-survive ko siya. And then, let's go to the 5th day until the 10th day. Yun, parang everything is back to normal na. Kaso, there's still restriction pa din. Wala na ako nararamdaman na sakit sa suso ko. So, nakakalakad na ako ng maayos. Parang, but same like this, pero hindi na ako sobrang ganito. So, nakakalakad na ako ng ganito. And then, from there to there. Tapos, yun, finix ko na rin yung posture ko throughout from 5th to 10th day. Kasi ang sakit na ng likod ko, sobra to. So, nagminamassage ko din yung likod ko. And I'm also massaging this part. Kasi yun yung mas sumasakit. Kasi yun yung bigat ng suso. Parang ewan ko ba, hindi siya masakit, pero it's mabigat. It's so mabigat. So yun, ngayon this is my 17 days, and from my 10 days to 17, sobrang back to normal na ako. Kaya ko na mag-isa, magluto, pero hindi pa rin ako nagli-lift ng mga heavy things. And then at the same time, hindi ko pa rin nire-reach yung mga hindi ko kayang i-reach through T-Rex. And then nakakaligo na rin pala ako mag-isa. And nice ko na yung hair ko, and nakakado na rin ako ng makeup. Like, it's so normal. Normal na yung activity ko, pero there is still restriction. So, ayun, I think 3 more weeks, makakabalik na ako sa normal. Like, wala nang compression bra. Yeah, yung wala nang support, sports bra, and na ako ng normal activity, makakabalik na ako sa trabaho. But yun, overall experience ko from day 1 to until now, it's from painful is 4/10. Hindi naman talaga siya, hindi ako nakaramdam ng sakit or painful, thank God. Yun lang, second day lang talaga yung sobrang sumakit yung isa kong suso. But everything is okay. My recovery is okay. And then, from my satisfaction naman is, I think I will give it 8 out of 10. Kasi, tama nga yung sinasabi nila, if you're gonna do it bigger. Kasi, ginawa ko is 415 cc. So, akala ko, malaki siya. Basta hindi siya sobrang laki, akala ko. Pero right now naman, average yung nasa average size yung suso ko. Like, sobrang appropriate niya doon sa body type ko. Like, mahaba kasi wide kasi yung shoulder ko, so, nagle-level siya. Pero, akala ko kasi talaga parang boom na boom yung suso ko. Yung pala hindi pa. That pala nag-add ako ng isa pang size. Pero that's okay. It's already here. And I'm happy sa recovery ko. At the same time, I'm happy with my cherry blossom. But, yun lang. If you're gonna decide, it's your decision to make. And if ako kasi tatlo yung pinamilian ko, 365, 385, and 415. So yung 415 yung kinuha ko, akala ko malaki na siya. Pero hindi pa pala. Dapat yung 450 pala yung kinuha ko. Pero that's okay. Like I said, I'm happy. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, hindi siya ganun kaliit, hindi siya kabastos-bastos. Alam mo yung mga pageant girl? So, yon, mga pageant girl lang yung eksena niya, mga pang-modelong suso, ganon. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. So, ayun, wala akong masya-share na masyado kasi parang from day 1 naman until now, yung 1 to 5 days ko lang yung sobrang hard time ko. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-painful, like I said. Pero, ayun, yun lang yung hard time ko from 5th day to 10th day. Sobrang back to normal na ako until now. But still recovering. Ang dami ko, may halata pa rin yung stitches ko. So, yun yung galing ko ngayon. And yeah, I'm so happy for my outcome. And thank you so much. Like I said, sa mga kaibigan ko na tumulong sa akin, salamat po sa inyo. And yeah, if you guys have any question about my breast augmentation or your breast augmentation, if I know the answer, I can share it. I can share it with you. I can answer the question and everything. And yun, ayun, I'm so happy lang. And yeah, I'll see you soon, guys, to my next video. And thank you for watching this. Thank you so much. Bye.